Hi, today we're going to look at the Cartesian plane and coordinates. Each point in a grid has two numbers. It has a horizontal and a vertical component. So if we look at this graph and we want to describe the location of the following point. So we know the horizontal coordinate comes first, and in this case it is 4. And we know that the vertical coordinate comes second, and in this case it is 5. So if we combine the two, we can describe the location of the point. And in this case, it is 4 and 5. What are the features of a Cartesian plane? So we know we have a horizontal plane, or x-axis. We have a vertical plane, or y-axis. And we have 4 quadrants, or 4 quarters. And we know that in each quadrant, the values of x and y are slightly different. Okay, so in the first quadrant, they're both positive. In the third quadrant, they're both negative. And in the second and fourth, they're positive or negative. And we know that to have a correct graph, we do require to have both axes labeled, have the 4 quadrants, and have a correct scale and units. So what makes a correct graph? Again, 2 straight axes, horizontal, vertical, correct scale, correct units. In this case, the y-axis is not straight, so it's incorrect. In this case, the x and y axes have been labeled incorrectly. In this case, the scale on the y-axis is incorrect. And in this case, the scale on the x-axis is incorrect. Please avoid these graphing mistakes. So what makes a correct graph? Once again, 2 straight axes, horizontal, vertical, correct scale, and correct units. And this is what a correct graph looks like. Hope you enjoy the presentation. Have a good day.